Alright, kid, we got a brand new one. This is the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Bowling Green, Kentucky, room 315. It's a king room, a king bed, standard room. So we walk in. This place is pretty new. I don't know when it was built, but everything is in really nice shape. Bright colors, except for the floor, obviously. But so we walk in here. Bathroom is on the left. I just turned the thing off accidentally, sorry. But we have the countertop. We have toiletries here. This time we have just shampoo and conditioner, so no body wash or lotion like the last one. But I did ask for a dental kit because I needed more toothpaste, but they threw in some mouthwash and a Colgate toothbrush here as well. But toilet and trash can. Then we have the shower. Interesting, we have the controls over here so that you can control that, without getting sprayed by the water. So I like that. We got our first bad sign there. Some extra caulk hanging out, but overall not too bad. Let's go into here. We have the mini fridge, coffee station, ice bucket. They do have a microwave here. So let's go on to the nightstand. Two different Bibles. We have light with 2 plugs. And we have over here a light with 2 plugs. And then we have the alarm clock over here. The cord hanging from it is an antenna. So I don't think, well, they did have an audio jack, but that got jacked. So we'll look here at the desk, fine desk area. Plenty of outlets there. We do have an HD TV. I think it's DirecTV is the cable or whatever provider. The bed is a king bed. It's obviously, it is a hybrid. It's got some springs, but it definitely doesn't have the movement of a traditional spring mattress. So, yeah. Last thing is the view from the outside. So the window does open a bit. I don't know if you can see that, probably too dark. But they do have a little outside patio area here. You can see some apartment complexes and whatnot from over that way. But yeah, that is it. See you later, kid.